In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use NFL Sunday Ticket Multiview. Let's get started. Start by opening the YouTube app or YouTube TV on your Smart TV. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account that has your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription. Search for NFL Sunday Ticket or scroll to the Sunday Ticket Hub. This is where all the live games are listed each week. When games are live, you'll see option for multi-view. Choose it and you'll get layouts where you can watch 2, 3 or even 4 games at once depending on your device. Highlight a game and press OK or select on your remote or controller to switch the audio to that match. Some devices also let you change the screen layout so your main game is bigger. Now you can follow multiple games at the same time. Perfect for red zone movements or keeping an eye on your fantasy football players. And that's it. That's how you can use NFL Sunday Ticket Multiview. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.